Let's just start with any wins. Who's had some changes this week since last week, or something even continuing to go on? Better. But you used to take how many ibuprofen a week?
Like 30, sometimes 40.
Oh wow, that's wild.
Yeah.
And how long had you done that? Long enough?
I got the 500 bottles or more. I got the biggest one you could get because
Yeah. And how much, other than
All the
Monday,
time.
how much did you take this week?
Oh, nothing.
Nothing, just Monday. So you went from 21 pills a day to 2 for the whole week.
21, 3 a day.
Not counting the weekends.
Well, I may not look it, but I feel like I'm in my 20s again. I've really gotten a lot of mental clarity and physical energy out of this program. And the physical benefits are really varied. I was able to get off of prednisone, which I've been taking for a couple of years on a daily basis.
I'm a diabetic, and I've been taking as much as 110 units of insulin every day. And I'm off of insulin now.
Yeah.
My diabetic doctor said, come back in a year.
I have really bad arthritis flares where I just swell up and the inflammation is just awful. Okay, so when I came in, that first day I had to go out and put my flip-flops on because my feet were just on fire and my wrists and everything. So my inflammation is all down, my pain is gone, I'm feeling so much better and just my energy level alone, so.
I'm a teacher in Santa Cruz, and I started in January. We did that first class, and it was really great. I feel like I learned how to eat, so my body worked better. I had some eczema that I couldn't get rid of, and some other weird things. That I had headaches all the time, and once I started on keto and the fasting, I don't have headaches anymore at all. I lost 40 pounds.
And I took my blood pressure 4 times a day for 4 days. And then I looked at the results there, and I didn't see any high blood pressure. And so I thought, I will send this to my doctor, and this will prove that I really do not have high blood pressure. And sure enough, he had to admit that it was true.
But then once I got onto the diet, it was amazing, especially like the brain fog going away. So one day I was thinking, oh, can I remember all the people in my 8th grade class? I went through every single one and I remembered their first and last names. Then I was like, oh, can I remember my 6th grade teacher, my 4th grade teacher, my 2nd grade teacher? And then I started thinking, do I remember the song To Gilligan's Island and the Brady Bunch?